He's wondering why I have a spotlight on his face while he's trying to eat. This is Buddy eating a whole chicken, and he's wondering why I'm watching him so closely. He's just trying to eat his dinner. Go ahead, Bubba. See, that's the whole chicken. He's being a good boy and staying out on the balcony. See? Living room balcony. Cars. Outside, Papa. He hasn't discovered the goodies that are inside the chicken yet. There's his left paw. Only that left paw happens. You can see him working with his whole body. Okay. Let's see. Under that layer of fluff is muscle. He gets pieces off the whole bird. So this is a whole Foster Farms chicken that are commonly on sale here on the West Coast. They're great because they're not injected with any kind of... Whoa! Okay, bud, outside, come on. Oh, that was scary.